A quick tour of the Sydney Opera House inside, and the outside, what beautiful views of the harbor it has. I was surprised to see the rawness of the bare concrete. No stain, no paint, no plaster, just the raw concrete. Very interesting. You can see the concrete supports. They run parallel a long distance, supporting a huge section of the opera house from below. The next section is grand. It's like a cathedral, a modern cathedral. Again, the concrete is raw, naked, not painted or stained. And instead of rebar inside the concrete, it uses tensioned steel cables embedded into the precast concrete. Very interesting. The Joan Sutherland Theatre is a 1,507-seat theater designed primarily for opera and ballet to optimize brightness, acoustics, dampening within a tight space. The interior walls are painted matte black. The main types of wood used inside the Sydney Opera House are Australian bush box and white birch plywood. The roof sails of the Sydney Opera House are covered in over 1 million custom-made ceramic tiles known as the Sydney tile. There are 2 tile types: the glossy white tiles, glaze pieces that catch the intense Australian sunlight and mirror the colors of the shifting skies from dawn till dusk. And the matte cream tiles, slightly coarse, unglazed tiles that soften the look and prevent overwhelming mirror glare. The chevron pattern. The tiles are arranged in a dynamic, repeating chevron V-shaped pattern. From a distance, the roof appears uniform, pearlescent white, but upon close look, the geometric contrast between the gloss and the matte surfaces creates a highly textured living skin. glass was manufactured in massive batches over 2 years by a French firm. This represented the world's first large-scale structural use of safety glass in a major public building. Thanks for watching my tour of the Sydney Opera House. I hope you liked it. Please give it a like and subscribe if you did. And we're going to go on a little cruise and view Opera House from the water next. Now we get to see what the gorgeous Sydney Opera House looks like underneath the beautiful Harbour Bridge at night. I'll change you a few of these views and a few of my pictures. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.